my people, welcome back to my channel. You don't know, it's your girl Shugs, the queen of recipe. Today I am going to make our national dish, some ackee and saltfish. So first guys, here I have some ackees, and this is a naturally picked ackee from the tree. Yes, you can use a tin ackee if you don't have this one. And I'm using some cod bits. You can use saltfish, and I have some bell peppers here. They are frozen, that's why they are looking like this, guys. In Canada you have to freeze everything. If you live abroad, you know what I'm talking about. I have some onions, a garlic stem, 2 garlics, and a hot pepper. So over here I have some water. I am allowing the water to boil. Yes, I want to make it boil. And I have some thyme. This is where I'm going to put my ackee, and I'm going to boil my ackee until they're tender, and then I'll strain them off, and then I'll fry them. I'll put the saltfish. I'll show you all of that later on. Make sure your water is boiling up, bubbling before you add your ackee to the water, okay? And over here I have a small pot that I'm going to boil out the salt out of my codfish, or your saltfish. So I put the saltfish to boil right now, guys. I'm going to change the water once. So I'm boiling this 2 times just to get rid of some of the salt. And see our water starting to bubble up. Yes, we're going to add our ackee now. So now we add our ackee. You see the water start boiling. That's why you wanted to make sure that the water is very hot, so your ackee can get to cook evenly, okay? So now we're going to cover this down. You have to watch it because it will boil over. But I'm going to cover it down so it can start bubbling up a little bit faster, and then I'll watch it. After it's tender, I'm going to remove it, strain it off, and get it prepared. Okay, so what you want to do now, you want to cut up your vegetables in small pieces. So here I cut up all my sweet peppers smaller, and I dice, or I should say mince, my garlic, my 2 garlics, my garlic stem, and my onions. Also, I'm using half of the hot pepper. If you want to use more, you can. It's your preference. And if you want to substitute some of the onion for green onion or scallion, you can do that as well. Okay, so these are all the vegetables that I will be using. Okay, my people, so our saltfish is ready. Make sure that you're using boned saltfish, okay? Very important. You don't want to have any bone in your ackee and saltfish. And here is the ackee. It is ready as well. I strained it off, and you can see the nice thyme leaves. Yes, so that's why you boil it with the thyme, okay? So now I have some oil preheating on the stove. I'm going to add my saltfish first. This is how I do it. I love to fry my saltfish for like 1 to 2 minutes before I add my vegetables and my ackee, okay? So here I have my saltfish, guys. As I said, I'm going to fry them for like 2 minutes on both sides, and then I'm going to add my vegetables, and I will be adding my ackee last. Yes, last. Okay, I'm going to add some black pepper as well to this. So when they are at this point, you want to go ahead and add all of your vegetables, okay? So I'm adding all my veggies. So after you add all of your veg, what you want to do now, you want to go ahead and you want to add your black pepper. So just adding a pinch of black pepper, about half teaspoon of black pepper, and I'm adding some Maggi fish seasoning, about half teaspoon as well of my Maggi fish seasoning. And then we're going to combine all of this together, fry it up for 1 minute, and then we're going to add our ackees, okay? Look how beautiful that is. Yes, best ackee and saltfish recipe, this, guys. Trust me, try it this way. I know many of you already cook ackee, eat ackee, but try it out my way and let me know in the comment section below. Let me know if you will be trying my way of making this nice authentic national Jamaican dish. And you can serve this with breadfruit, you can serve it with rice and peas, you can serve it with dumpling, but today I'll be making some dumplings to go with my saltfish and ackee. See how beautiful that looks? Now we're going to add our ackees, okay? Now we add our ackees, guys. You don't want to stir this up too much. As a matter of fact, some people like when their ackees are crushed. Some people don't like them crushed, they like them whole. It's up to you, it tastes the same. It won't take away the taste if it's crushed. It won't take away the taste if they're whole. But if you don't want them to crush too much, you just generously toss this around and allow it to fry for about 2 minutes, okay? Okay, my people, here it is. Our final result. Our ackee is ready. Yes. Over here we have some dumplings bubbling. Yes, my niece is just making these dumplings, putting in the pot. And we're gonna have some yam in there as well with this nice, beautiful ackee. I'm turning off the stove now. Look at that beauty. Wow. Please leave me a comment, leave me a little bit of like, share this video. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscription button. Turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Until next time, safe travel, funny gravel.